Mega link, you know, we have to watch your greetings in the festive season. Big up the whole of Jamaica. You don't know my place uptown, so watch your uptown setting. Watch you know, the whole of you know. Don't know one love we do it in 2016. Live up, love all the time. Quang them, Mega link. Quang them.
I just want to shout out to my dad, Steve Salmon. Big up yourself, Daddy Straight. Big up all my family, Manchester, you don't know. Big up my grandfather, Ma Shirley Straight. Big up Miss Vivaline Powell. Big up all my family. I just want to say love straight coming from Amelia Straight from England. Big up. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you guys.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Family of Jamaica, greetings. All the best for the new year. Respect.
Merry Christmas to all my families in Jamaica and friends, especially my kids, my grandkids. Merry Christmas to my 6 grandchildren then, yeah. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All the best from